Hi everyone, let's take a quick tour into what makes Hawaii LED screens the trending choice in LED displays. Why our customers come back to us? Why new customers come to us? The answer is simple. Let me guide through it. Imagine a screen that performs as perfectly as it did on day one. That's Hawaii LED. Hawaii LED screens aren't just beautiful. They are crafted with premium materials, making them the brightest and the sharpest on the LED screen market. Our cabins hold top resale value, giving you the peace of mind that your investment lasts. Our team is with you every step of the way. From setup to support, we are in every major cities to keep your screens running smoothly. User-friendly and innovative, Hawaii LED screens put advanced technologies on your fingertips, controlling visuals with ease, all in real time. Now let's talk about product range. Hawaii has a vast range of products according to your needs, like the game changer G-Max Exact 2 feet 2 feet cabinet to Shell series. The transparent Shell series feels like the air is the screen. In between this, the Jackson series, the interactive dance floor, GLaDOS, the favorite of Indian market, the Standy, the G-Flex, a screen that can bend, G Pro, Walk series and Vega series, and the list goes on. Hawaii LED screens aren't just displays. They are a way to captivate, inspire and stand out. We are here to light up your vision, one screen at a time. Let's make it unforgettable.